And I think special attention needs to be played to Moksha's serve. She actually got a very good serve, in fact, which would actually rival the serve of a lot of the men. Um, a very interesting action, and this is going to be a treat, ladies and gentlemen. So it's quite obvious what Niharika's tactic is. She actually wants to put the ball deep and come to the net. I think on the money. Raptors down 2-3. But having said that, I think Niharika, especially when somebody plays Division 1 tennis, there is a next level of resilience, practice, muscle memory. So I think they deserve all the success they get because they put in the hard work.
Absolutely, I agree with that. Well,
So from Roger Federer, we're back to Hyderabad, back to Reserve Sport, back to the Terrible Titans, playing the Raptors. Moksha up 5-2, slamming a backhand cross court. You see Moksha Saposa there. You got Nick, you got her mom, you got her dad. I think she's getting tips from a lot of people, support from a lot of people. I think that's what goes into actually making a world-class pickleball player. There's always a village behind you. There you go. You see Moksha serve. She bends. Oh, I think that was out. Doesn't matter. Still wins the point. Up 7-2. The worst cards at poker, but the best cards for Tribal Titans as of now. What do you reckon, Prats? Who do you think is going to edge through today? I think on the money. I think there are very, very few sports that have the momentum shift like pickleball. You see Moksha serve also. She goes all out for it. It's almost like a first serve by John Isner. And there's no second serve, but who cares, right? 9-2. So this game is actually moving quickly away from the Raptors. They need a semi-miracle to fight back from here.
I think that was clearly out. Anyway, but I think they would need a semi-miracle. But as I mentioned earlier, I wouldn't write off Niharika that early. A very, very consistent and a very strong-minded player. It appears that she is not able to, put the ball or rather contact the ball as comfortably as she would want to. But we'll have to see how the rest of the game progresses.
So I've been watching Moksha play for, I think maybe 6-7 months now. I seldom actually see her coming to the net, but that's changed a lot dramatically because now she actually, when she hits a good shot, she actually comes to the net, which makes a massive difference in her game because invariably because the baseline is so good that she gets a weak shot to actually put away. So I think that adds a tremendous amount of power and number of points to a game.
Baseline game. All that she needs to do is game is a very latest point.
I think a little bit of credit to, I guess, the bit of the village behind her. I think her parents have put a lot of time, effort, love, everything into their daughter. I think a lot of times in India we don't realize the sacrifices that the parents have made for the kids. And actually, so Tanya Mirza was actually playing with me. She's actually my junior. And I see, though she's an amazing, amazing player, she's gained a lot of strength from her parents also. And I see the same thing in Moksha and her parents. And I think, God willing, big things from both of them.
Mostly for any sport. There is an individual sport also. Has a lot of sports and then work. we have to credit to Moksha, to her parents, and the confidence that they have had in her, the trust that they have reposed, and vice versa. I think it's very important that we need to understand and also admire that, because we see her parents standing by her. Very very rarely you see parents standing by your children while they're playing.
I think on the money. I think, especially when you're South Indian, you're either a doctor, an engineer, or a loser. So I think consider. Yeah, you can add lawyer to that now. You're right. So, but having said that, I think our parents have been very encouraging, which is great, and luckily she lived up to their expectation and hope. Now 10-6, actually closer than most people think, because they're on
Yeah,
seven
and this
points.
is
The points
exactly
here,
what I
it'll
was
be
talking
fun.
about that when I mentioned that we can't write off Niharika at any point of time. She has the ability, she has the resilience, she has the ability to come mind. Let's play this game. Slight edge over, over, over played a bracket sport. Yeah, it's slower than this game, but faster than table tennis game. Slower than table tennis, but
On the money, the Titans up 11-7 on serve. They're trying to put immense amount of pressure on the Raptors. Already up 2-love. If they're up 3-love, it's not going to be easy. Raptors on serve, 7-7. The only thing I think all of us know that's not impossible, because last week, unfortunately, Nandi Chargers, our team, were actually up 3-love, and unfortunately ended up losing a team breaker. So
well, that's
anything
the
is possible. This is the HPL, the most exciting Friday night entertainment you can have in the whole state of Telangana. So anything is possible.
Score 10-11.
11 all. Pratap, did you honestly believe we're going to be looking at 11 all when there was a difference of 5 points when we started speaking? I think we have a major pickleball Niharika fan. Oh, Raptors are ahead. What is going on here? What is going on here?
The score 2-11.
The only game I can think of, brother, is poker. There's no other game at the momentum to this much.
that's akin to gambling.
It's literally experience versus youth. Experience is at 12, youth is at 11. And they are tied at 12 apiece. Last 3 points to go. This is going to be the most exciting tie of this whole match.
Football.
Wow, that's a little hectic, but kudos to the umpire, whatever.
Yeah, that's good.
And
The umpires are keeping
a
keen eye.
protest, but no. Moving on with it, and that's the right thing to do. I think, especially looking at the captain, he's usually a very, very relaxed person. who actually gets on with it because they believe the team is actually good enough. Just to explain to everyone how much it actually means as a win. Nobody would actually bother about this. They would just say, let it go. No. This actually means a lot. And that's exactly why people are fighting. And this is where, Hyderabad Pickleball has actually made the most competitive tournament that Hyderabad has seen, at least in my lifetime. The fire is out. 12 all. Moksha has won the point.
This is one of the most exciting matches happening here on match day 5 of the Hyderabad Pickleball League.
I think there's a bit of a mistake. No. Oh, this is going to be interesting. Whether is it going to be a reserve or is it going to be a wrong call or is it going to be a point avoided to one of the teams? The ref has to be clear about this and he has to stand by his decisions.
We see the referees now having a discussions with the other referees and also the players to understand. I think the out call was coming from the player as opposed to the referee, and there was some confusion about the.
That's true. I guess the question comes where normally when somebody calls out, etc., it's actually hindrance.
Yeah, it
So the question is whether hindrance is actually a warning or hindrance is actually a loss of point. I think the point actually has gone to the Raptors.
Yeah. So Raptors are on serve right now.
On serve.
On serve.
Oh, there's extreme interest in this point. People, I mean, the teams are coming together, they're talking, but at the end of the day, people have to abide by the referee's decision. And
That was out, but the player. No, the player. What I'm told is what I understand from says is that. Sorry, the referee says is that the viewers call it, but continue playing the point. Moksha was confused and she stopped playing the point. So the
but I think when there's crowd involved, especially the kind of crowd that HPL actually attracts,
yeah,
you can't blame the crowd, brother.
absolutely.
That's what you signed up for. You're
Yeah.
a league, you're a professional player. You gotta handle that.
I understand. Absolutely, I agree with you that.
12 all.
We ultimately we go by the referee's call.
Back on serve. One thing about
See,
Moksha,
the 2 to 3 minute break also has a lot of impact, right? In a game like pickleball, where the momentum can shift and you can just your mind is looking at various aspects. You're trying to argue with the umpire. You're trying to reason with him. So it's a lot of things. You see Moksha there. She had a good opportunity. Yeah.
Moving like my old grandfather clock. Pendulum is literally moving left to right, right to left, left to right, right to left.
Absolutely, I agree with you there. I can't say it in a nicer manner than that.
Niharika, he was literally out in the woods, has fought back, and is actually 2 points away from closing the match. But I don't think Moksha is going to literally roll over. She's going to fight it out. Who's that guy, Mickey? He's got bigger muscles. I think better make him also a player.
So Sid, I think this takes you back to what I was saying, that pickleball is such a finicky game, right?
Score 12-14.
Anything can happen in a couple of minutes. The momentum can move. One person could be up 6 points at a particular point of time, but you just don't know what happens after that, and it all depends about how you're able to maintain your momentum through every second. This is one game, I think, which demands and requires every player to be in it every second.
Pratap, as you correctly said, now suddenly it's 13-14 on serve.
On four.
Kocha serving.
And
not
and
quitting.
just imagine the
Backhand.
excitement if it was to be 14 all.
Uh-oh.
Oh,
On
okay,
serve.
my prediction was
Service
wrong.
Can close and can actually be 1-2.
Yes. So you have now the match point, and Niharika serving for the match.
Can Niharika continue her unbeaten record in the HPL?
And there it goes. Niharika continues with her unbeaten streak in the HPL. It clearly shows that her experience has helped her dodge this situation that she was put in. And I think full credit to her for using all that she had in her ammunition to come out of this. I think that's, and it keeps also the game alive between the Raptors.
On the